One of the easiest ways to make money using AI is by creating content on TikTok or YouTube. Step 1 is to choose a niche, such as motivation, education, storytelling, or facts. Step 2 is to use AI to write scripts. You can use tools like ChatGPT to create stories, lessons, or motivational content. Step 3 is to create voiceovers. Use AI tools like ElevenLabs or CapCut to generate narration. Step 4 is to create videos. Use AI tools like CapCut, Pika, or Runway to add visuals, animations, and effects. Step 5 is to post consistently to grow your audience. Ways to make money: TikTok Creator Fund or YouTube monetization, sponsorships, brands pay you to promote, affiliate marketing. Benefits of using AI: saves time, no need to be an expert, you can start with little or no money. Lesson: with consistency and creativity, you can turn AI into a source of income.